Welcome to your Minga. Minga is full of amazing features to help your community stay secure and connected. This is a brief introduction to its core features. Your Minga is primarily made up of a main feed, where all of your content is shown. There are two menus, one for managing your Minga and one for adding content. There's also a search bar for finding content in your Minga. Let's start with the main feed. This is where all of your content is shown. Users can interact with content using comments and likes, depending on how your Minga is set up. The Manga Management menu is found on the right side of your screen. Here you can access a variety of ways to manage your Minga. In Minga settings, you have a number of options for permissions depending on user roles. The Student ID feature, if turned on, is where users can access their student IDs. Users can change their personal preferences for Minga through Preferences. Adding new users to Minga can be done through People. To upload or see all the files that have been uploaded to your Minga, go to Files. Your Minga's communal photo gallery can be accessed through this menu. Polls is a place where you can see and manage all of the polls on your Minga. Moderation allows content on your Minga to be automatically checked for inappropriate material. Looking to set up pre-made and scheduled content for your Minga? Look no farther than Programs. Daily Bulletin allows you to upload a small message daily to be displayed at the top of your home feed. About Us tells you a bit more information about our app. Feedback allows users to ask their Minga's administrator for help with Minga or their account. It also allows them to report any bugs or problems they run into to the Minga support team. Help gives you access to detailed guides and information about the variety of features Minga has to offer. And finally, Log Out allows you to sign out of your account. Next, we'll cover the Content menu. Here you can add content to your Minga. This menu is found along the bottom of your screen on mobile and on the left side of your screen on desktop. Home links you back to your Minga's main feed. Your Minga's calendar is where users can see all upcoming events. Groups is where you can organize your community's content into different classes, clubs, and teams. This helps ensure your user's home feed is as relevant as possible. Want to see all of your recent notifications in one place? Go to Notifications. The Add menu is where the magic happens. Here you can create beautiful and unique posts through Minga Studio, as well as choose from a variety of different content options. These range from text and photo posts, videos, adding a photo to your Minga's photo gallery, events, announcements, polls, and alerts. To add text or a photo to your home feed, go to Post. With video, you can upload a video or embed one from a YouTube or Vimeo link. Your Minga's communal photo gallery can be added to by clicking Photo to Gallery. Event is where you can schedule an upcoming event and track its attendance. Have something to announce to your community? Announcements are perfect for that. Polls are a great way to find out your community's opinions, whether it's their favorite pet or their thoughts about the last event. Is Bus 12 going to be late? Or has an event's location changed last minute? Alerts are designed to get the message out quickly to members of your Minga. Minga is a great tool for your community. With your new understanding of its core functionality, you're now ready to customize it to fit your needs.